Hello guys, welcome to my channel Splunk in 5 minutes. In this video we are going to talk about the label other which appears in pie chart. We'll understand what it is when it appears in pie chart, and of course we are also going to see the demo about it, how we can make it off, or can we rename it to something else. So before that we should understand the pie chart properties. Here you can see the pie chart has the four properties. In this first part of video, we'll only talk about the properties which are related with this other label, and these are related with the slice collapsing label, which has a default value is other, and the another property which talks about the threshold. So we'll discuss in detail. So friends, sometimes you may have seen that we can see this other label in your pie chart slice. You may have wondered that what it is actually. So other is nothing but the label for your consolidated slices of the pie chart, and it appears from this property which has the default value other. So charting.chart.slice collapsing label is always set to other by default. So when it appears in pie chart, so to understand this we have to know about this property which is chart dot slice collapsing threshold. So this property has a we can set a value between 0 and 1. When it is 0 it means no collapsing, and when it is 1 it means all slices collapse into a single pie. So in this case we can understand that what is the default value for this. So default value is a 0.01. This means the collapses slices smaller than the 1% of the whole pie. So here from the picture we can assume that we can know that the default value of this property is 0.01 is set. That's why we are seeing the slices which are collapses are smaller than the 1% of the whole pie. So we'll see in demo how to change the label other in pie chart to something else, or can we make it off. So let's go to demo directly. So here you can see pie chart panel on my dashboard with the other uh, label for uh, almost 38 slices on pie chart. So first we'll see how to make it off. So when we turn it off, it should not appear on this. This label should not appear for this many slices. So first, if I want to make it off, I will just go to 0. But before that, I would like to tell you that this default value you can check it by going into the source code. So slice threshold value you can see here, it's a 0.01. So that's why it is consolidating the slices into one single uh, pie slice, and it is giving a name other to that slice. So we'll first we don't want that, so we'll make it off. So you can change it from here also. You can just change this value to 0, so it means no collapsing, so it will not collapse. So here you can see that there is now there is no label called other for your slices, so it is just turned off collapsing for your pie chart. Then what I want to do in some cases, if there is a other label for slice and I want to change or rename it for something good indication. So what I can do, I have to just add that property into my source code. I'll go there, and just for better formatting I will paste it here. So here you can see this property slice collapsing label. I will just change this to some miscellaneous, and now we'll see whether it changes the label to miscellaneous. I'll save it. See, you can see here the label had changed to miscellaneous. So it means we can configure this slice for different names according to your requirement, as well as we can decide whether to show this uh, label consolidated labels in your pie chart or not. So if you found this video useful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video.